Welcome to this guided meditation for gratitude. There are many benefits to feel gratitude. It's an uplifting practice. It can help you feel optimistic, it can boost your mood, it can magnify positive emotions, it can also help reduce anxiety and stress, and it can even increase physical health and optimize your immune system. To feel grateful is a gentle reminder to appreciate all that you have and to not take anything for granted. Gratitude can help you shift your perception of a situation, because how you see things and how you perceive the world has a powerful effect on how you feel and react. But you can take your power back, because even when a situation seems negative, there's always something good, and you can train your mind to see something that you're grateful for. This shift in perception can open your eyes up to infinite possibilities and opportunities. It can even transform your life, and it simply starts with expressing gratitude. So let's begin. Find a comfortable seat. Feel free to close your eyes and begin by taking a big belly breath in through your nose, coming into this present moment, and slowly exhale through your nose. Let go of everything that happened before this moment. Again, slowly breathe in, slowly breathe out. Thank you for this breath. And let your breath flow naturally. Thank you for the oxygen entering my lungs and for the gas exchange releasing all waste gas as I exhale. Thank you for every new breath in and out. This breath is a reminder that I can always start over again. Every new breath is a new beginning. Every exhale is a release of the past and all that no longer serves my body and mind. Thank you for this new moment. Thank you for this new day. Thank you for my life. Thank you for my loved ones. I feel grateful for their love, compassion, kindness, support, patience, and so much more. Thank you for our moments together, the laughs, and the difficult times that brought us closer, and everything in between. Thank you for the second chances I got to grow and learn from my mistakes. Thank you for the ability to look back, to see my growth, and to see the lessons I learned. Thank you for my life. Thank you for the unexpected moments that lifted my spirits. It showed me that miracles happen all the time. Thank you for all the strangers I've met on my journey. Thank you to those holding the door open for me. Thank you to those saying hello to me. I feel grateful for those smiling at me or guiding me into the right direction when I was lost. I feel grateful for each person in my life and the lessons they taught me. All the lessons, including the difficult ones. It's probably the hardest lessons that taught me the most. I learned that I always have a choice in how I see the situation, and that every situation helps me to grow and evolve into a better version of me. Thank you for my intuition and ability to discern the difference between the good and the bad. Thank you for my free will and the ability to think and decide for myself. Thank you for my choices. Thank you for receiving a healed perception of every situation I struggled with. Thank you for my courage to follow my heart and walk my path, even when it goes against the grain. I feel grateful for all the teachers in my life, not just my school teachers, also the teachers in disguise who showed up at the right time, in the right place. Thank you for all the guidance I have received. Thank you for always helping me to choose to do the right thing. Thank you for all the lessons I've learned. I feel grateful for my free will and the ability to choose. Thank you for the power of perception and choice. I choose to see the good in every situation. Thank you for where I am today. Today's a new day, and it's full of infinite possibilities. Thank you for this new day. Thank you for my life. I feel grateful that I chose this moment to express gratitude. I could have done a million other things. Instead, I chose this powerful practice. Thank you. And then let's finish together with a nice deep cleansing breath in through your nose. And slowly exhale. If you had your eyes closed, slowly blink your eyes open. Thank you so much for practicing gratitude with me and joining me in this guided meditation. It's my wish that this meditation is a blessing to you and your loved ones. From the light in me to the light in you, and from my heart to yours. Good job, Yogi. Thank you so much for watching and for making it this far and showing up for your yoga practice. I'm so proud of you. I would love to give you my free Blissful Morning Guide. All you need to do is sign up with that first link below this video, enter your first name and email, and I'll send it to you right away. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments how it went for you. I look forward to seeing you soon again on the mat.